Hi everyone, so today is a DIY video. I'm making colored sand, not really sand, colored salts, alright, because we're gonna make a birthday present for my honey. So right here I have some dashed up chalk of a few colors. I have it in pink, orange, green, yellow and blue. Now this chalk can be like, those kind of like blackboard chalk. What you need to do is you put it in a Ziploc bag and pound it with a pestle mortar or any rolling pin until it's like fine powder. Next, you got to get yourself some fine salt. Yep, fine granulated salt. This can be easily bought from the supermarket. You can get it at $2.50 Sing dollars. It's very, very cheap for about 500 grams. Now you don't actually need all 500 grams, you just need some of it. Now the steps are very simple, as I do not have cutlery that is for DIY at the moment, no money to buy them, so I'll be just using this cupcake tins or baking tins. Just take about 1 scoop of it, put it inside, then select the color that you want. As you've seen here with the pink ones, actually it looks reasonably good. Maybe this round I will try a blue. Right, so just open up the Ziploc pack and pour about a quarter of this amount. And yeah, you can use this is a toothpick to mix it around as a mixer. Okay, I got it open. I think my blue now. But this amount might do the trick. Depending on how blue you want it. If you want it light blue, don't add as much. If you want it darker blue, you can add a little bit more. Now I'm going to clean this and we're going to continue our video. So I cleaned it somewhat. As you can see, it's still a little bit pinkish. All I use is wet tissue and dry tissue paper to wipe it down. Okay, now to mix. Just gently stir it in, stir it in. Now you can keep stirring until you get the hue you desire. I'm doing this with one hand, so it's a little bit difficult. As you can see, the salt is actually slowly turning blue. And slowly, see the areas with more blue powder, chalk powder, the slowly blue, darker blue. So be good if you can find a smaller dish or dish that's easy to use. And this. And the color will be more even. Now you have this, all blue. And this is pink. Now we're going to try mixing colors together. I'm trying to mix this into purple. Let's see if it works. So what I did is I added pink and blue together. Gonna give it a little stir. Now it looks something like this. Not very pink, not very blue, not very purple. Once more. Some salt. And we'll go mix again. Let's see if it works. Yeah, I learned this when I was in primary school. Now in Singapore primary school, we have something called primary school leaving examinations. After that, you don't get holiday, you have to still come back to school. For what reason? I have no idea, but the teachers will not be doing any more teaching by then. We're just waiting for the results of this national exam to come out before you're officially dismissed from school to go to secondary school. So one of our teachers, relief teachers, decided to, since we're all so bored and most of the kids are playing Uno cards and other things and watching movies using the school visualizer, what this teacher did was, okay, why not we just do some crafts, and she taught me this. But back then when I was in school, I didn't quite like the outcome because my teacher did not have Ziploc bags, so we didn't actually manage to crush the chalk properly, and so the colors didn't come out nicely. Yeah, and it was very tedious to pound it, to scrape it, the chalk. Yeah, it took a lot of effort. It was not fine salt like this, it was granulated salt, so the outcome was quite a disaster. And as an adult now, I want to try again. As you can see here, it's not so pink, it's not so blue, it's somewhat purple, so I guess it kind of worked. Then later on we get a little small test tube, not this is too big, and you can gently pour it in like how you do the colored sand decorations. And we'll catch you back up in the next video.